So we will be selecting custom services here. HDFS is definitely required, one of the core components of Hadoop ecosystem. And then we will also be choosing Spark, Yarn. Then we'll be also installing Yarn Queue Manager. So right now we are just choosing Hadoop core, which is HDFS and Yarn. Later on we will be adding Spark and other services. So let's specify where we want to have HDFS name node, second name node, data node, balancer and other things. So in our case we are having only one machine, so we are just saying that everything is on one machine. So we are just specifying the same role, same host for different services, and mapping these roles with the host names. So this activity is quite the same across multiple services because we are having one machine only. But ideally in multi-node cluster we will be specifying the machines as per the distributed architecture. So this is done. As you can see, we have Zookeeper here, and Zookeeper is one of the critical services in the cluster. A lot of other cluster services are actually dependent on Zookeeper, so that's why you can see Zookeeper is getting installed along with HDFS and Yarn. And if you go up there, you will find report manager or even server alert publisher. So these are the Cloudera manager services which are responsible for monitoring all the services, hosts and everything. So these are some of the things which are installed when we are installing only our own services, but these are required as such, maybe by other services or by Cloudera manager itself. So we'll go to the next screen, and here we need to set up the database, and we have three options: primarily MySQL, Postgres and Oracle. So we are choosing MySQL here, and we are specifying the database host name, username, password. And you remember, like, we already set up this database in the OS level parameter customization, so that is already done. So database is in place. We just need to specify the credentials of the database and test the connection. You can see connection is successful, so that's why we are going to the next screen. And here we are specifying the username, password for Cloudera manager API client. So this is admin again. This is another small fix that we need to do. Instead of lib, we are just giving log, and we will go to the next step. So this will install set of services that we just selected: HDFS, Yarn, Cloudera manager services along with Zookeeper. Services are installed. Now we go to the dashboard. So here we can see everything is in green color.